Okay, replacement dishwasher just delivered. Just open the door. It's much the same smell. Very wet inside. All over. Okay, all over the walls. Yeah, all over the walls. Okay, and the same mouldy smell. It's not so bad, but it's still pretty bad. So yeah, I cannot believe Bosch allows these machines to go out wet and then be allowed to be stored where it's all closed up in plastic packaging, ready for mould to take hold. So in a year's time, this machine starts to develop mould. I will leave the door open as per the instructions, yeah? But mould has probably already taken grip on this thing in places we can't see at the moment. I just find it incredible that there is not a procedure in Bosch that once the machine is tested with water, the machine is properly drained and properly dried before storage.